Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to send emails by using Spring Boot application. So let's get started. So let's create a project, file new, Spring Starter project. So email underscore sending underscore app. This is the app name I want to build. So description. Here I am using the Java 17 version. Artifact means project name. Group means company name. Next, so I need a Java mail sender library. Lombok I need. Verb I need. So Spring Verb. Infrequently used if you not found anything, you can search. For example, you need a Java mail sender. You can search and you can select. Then it will be appeared here. So it will be appeared here. These three are required. So this is the core library for mail sending. This is the verb. This is the Lombok for setter getters. Reusable code. To avoid reusable code, we will use the Lombok, right? So next, finish. So first, let's understand about Java mail sender library. So what are the classes are there? What are the interfaces are there? What methods we need to use like that? So coming to Java mail sender. This is a library. So this is a library we are using currently in this video. So select maximize. Yeah. So in this Java mail sender, so see one interface will be there, that is Java mail sender. Java mail sender, one interface will be there. It contains multiple methods like overload methods will be there. We need to use one method called so main message. So one method called create main message. This is the one method we need to use. What it will return? This main create main message method. It will return the main message. Main message. So it will return this one. So this main message we need to pass as a constructor parameter to the main message helper. We need to pass this main message as a constructor to the main message helper. So it's all about the API understanding. We are using this create main message. This is a interface. This is a interface. Here main message is a class. Main message is a class and main message helper. It is a class. Finally, this Java mail sender dot suppose finally Java mail sender dot send. We need to do send we need to pass here. What we need to pass? We need to pass this main message. We need to pass here. Yeah, see, this is a Java mail sender library. So I am using the Java mail sender interface. This I will inject through constructor injection. It has multiple methods. Two methods we will need to use in this video, like create main message, this one, and send method. Send method. So this create main message will return main message. After that, so this main message we will pass constructor parameter to the main message or helper, right? So by using in main here main message helper will be there, right? Here like some setter methods, for example set from, after that set to whom you are sending. So this is the who is sending, whom is sending, what is the subject, set text, what is the subject. So after that, so this is the set text means body. After that, set subject, like this. These are available. These these are all details. Set prompt, set subject, set body. These are available here. Yeah, it is all about the Java mail sender API. So let's start coding. We have created one project, right? Email sending app. Go to, so SRC main resources. We need to add some properties. So here we need to add some SMTP properties. So now we are using the Google SMTP provider. So like spring dot mail dot host. These are the Google SMTP provider. Some key value pairs are there, properties are there. We need to set up smtp dot gmail.com. So now spring dot mail dot port equal to 587. Check the spelling, otherwise it will not work. It will throw the exception. Spring dot mail dot host, spring dot mail dot port, smtp dot mail gmail.com. Now spring dot mail dot username. So for that, go to the mail. So let's use this mail. Click here, copy this one. This is a username. So spring dot mail dot password. So maximize. Password means not the mail password. We need to provide the app password here. We need to provide the here. We need to provide app password. Right? I will show where it will be available. So open new tab, search app passwords Google, enter. So click on post link. See, my account dot google.com app passwords. Click here. So choose the account. This is the 96, right? So enter the password. Next. So see, if you are observed like this, that means the setting you are looking for is not available for your account. Why? Because it is like that. So two factor two-factor security is not enabled. So for that it is like that we need to enable the two-factor security. For that go back. So see here security, scroll down to two-step verification. See it is the in off mode. We need to on. So this we need to on. See here these are the multiple options are there, right? Here multiple options are there. These are the multiple options. In these options at least two must be green tick mark, then only this will be enabled. At least two will be green tick mark. So for man there are this one two three are there, right? At least two must be green tick mark, three are there, right? So let's turn two-step verification. If not enabled to minimum two, you can enable it. Turn on two-step verification. Click here. So done. Say to done. Go back. Let's check it is enabled or not. So scroll down. See two-step verification on since. So just now I on, right. So now close this tab. Go to app space password space Google. Enter. Now see here. Click on this. Again choose the mail. So which mail you are using? The password. So next. See enter the app name. Suppose email app. Create. This is a password. Must copy. Once you done, it will be disappear. Once you click on done, it will disappear. See, I will click. See, password is gone. Again, if you want to another password, you need to delete this. Need to add a app name. So this is a password. See, these spaces we need to remove. Otherwise, this email application will not work. The spaces must be removed. Now password is ready, right? Username, password. After that, spring dot mail dot properties. So after properties, it will not provide any suggestions. We need to manually enter. If any other, so other path is there, we need to enter mail dot smtp dot mail dot smtp dot auth equal to true. So up to the same copy there is another key value spring dot mail dot properties dot mail dot smtp dot start tls equal to true. So these are the properties mandatory. It's done. So let's develop a service class. So right click, go inside. This is the it is a starter class, right? This is the starter class package. If you are creating any other like package, suppose util, entity, service, like that, under this. Otherwise, Springboard by default it will not scan. Right click, new package, suppose com.fst.service. So we need to add like this. So this is a assume this is a com.fst is a root. We need to create a sub packages. If you create suppose com.fst, right? Suppose you are created directly with fst only, then Spring by defaultly it will not scan. Then we need to add a component scan, like that we need to mention manually. So right click new, so class like email service, enter. So here, as per library, we need to use Java mail sender interface, right? So I will inject through constructor. So post, let's create a method public. I am not returning anything, so I am using the void, and so like prompt to subject, set text, everything I am hard coding. So I am not taking any parameters. So I am not expecting any parameter from anywhere. So send email. So that means here this is the I am not returning anything. I am not expecting any parameter. Right? So post private final Java mail Java mail Java mail sender. Java mail sender. So Java mail sender. This is a service class, right? Let's use the stereotype annotation called service. After that, we are decided to inject through constructor, right? By using Lombok. We are added Lombok, right? At required our constructor. Control S. So now post C as per library. So we need to call create main message. So this is the Java mail sender reference, right? Dot create main message. It will return main message, right? So what it will return my message. Suppose my message control shift O import. So Jakarta mail internet main message. Check the possible imports. Here Jakarta mail internet and okay, this one, select this one. Next, so this we need to pass main message helper. So my message helper, right? Suppose helper equal to new. See, these are the multiple constructors are there overloaded. Which one we need to choose? See, this I will choose. See, that means main message, multi-part, encoding. Encoding. See, this is we got main message right from above call. Like create main message we are called by using Java mail sender, it will return main message. This is multi-part means are you sending any files? So multi-part means files. It is like a boolean multipart. If you are sending any files, then set to the true, else set to the false. And string encoding. Encoding means like we will use UTF-8. So choose this one. So post parameter, this one, first parameter, second parameter. So second parameter false. I am not sending any multipart means files. I am not sending any files like that. So it is recommended to use like this boolean dot false, boolean dot false, and this is the encoding rate. We have a standard char sets dot UTF-8 dot name dot check somewhere name will be there name. So semicolon. See, it is throwing the exception. Here throws declaration. Throws declaration means here are surrounding with try catch. Okay, I chose surrounding with try catch. If any exception is raised, it will throw the full stack trace. I am not customizing this, so full stack trace I am printing. This I am not focusing in this video. So this is the helper write copy. So dot set. See, these many set methods are there. See, BCC will be there, CC will be there. File type map from reply send date subject text to, so many are there. Some of the so overload methods are also there. So post we need, so set from post we need set from, there are three are there. Let's choose string. So from means go to the application or properties. This is the from address, from where you are sending, from each mail you are sending. This is the from address. helper dot set to whom you are sending. So whom you are sending. So I want to send, I have another mail like 80. So I am sending from this. This is sender. I am receiving this. So after that, helper dot set subject. So subject, suppose, just suppose greetings. Greetings is the subject. So helper dot, if you want to some meaningful, you can add. Just for quickly completion, I am adding like this. Helper dot set text. Here we need to understand. Second one, we will choose. See, this is the text HTML. That means if inside body any HTML content is there, second parameter boolean we need to set to true, else we need to set to false. So I will send a HTML text, so I will make it as a true. By default it is false, I will set to true. So let's take here variable, suppose string HTML content, suppose content. So suppose H1, let's add some color. Suppose style equal to single quote color colon pink, color colon pink, close the H1, some message. Suppose congratulations for your new job. Like this I am sending. This is the body. So copy this one, Control C, add here. So for our confirmation, I will use once is out. So is out. So email is sent successfully. So it is done. So go to starter class. In Spring there are two containers are there, right? Remember, like we will usually call it like a IOC containers. IOC, IOC containers. Tell me the names of IOC container. First one, bean factory container. After that, application context container, right? So here I will use application context container. See, run method, it will return. So application context container, not directly. See, it is returning configurable application context. This may be top of the top. It is the top of the application context will be there. Context will be there. So here application context equal to, so import Spring One, not the Apache. Spring One. Spring One. Copy this by using this. Let's call the get bean method class. We need to provide the service class, email service. So remove this auto added email service dot class. So it will return the class object. Get bean, right? That means object it will return. It will return the object. So this is the service reference. In service we have a method send email. No parameters needed, right? Send email. So yes, done. Our so implementation is done. There are two classes only. Service logic. Right now I have hard coded. Maybe these details we will get from the other service. Then we need to inject what we need to do here. We need to like this. We need to inject that class by using constructor. After that dot get methods will be there, right? We need to set, we need suppose set from dto dot get, set from dto dot get, like this we need to do. So now let's run this application. Starter class, right click, run as Spring Boot app. Email sent successfully. Post check sender mail. So suppose, so sender mail is 96, right? Open. So sender mail is 96. So see, this is the sender mail. Just now we send time. This is the time. See, this is the node. So reload. So email sent successfully, right? Go to email service. See 96 mail ID Karasankar 96. This is the 96, right? So refresh it. So what is the greetings will be subject, right? So let's go to receiver 80, open. Let's check mail is received or not. So here we are not received any mail. Let's check why it is. Let's remove this otherwise. Control S. Check the spelling. Right. Go to application.properties. Right. Stop the server. Right click. Run a Spring Boot app. So email sent successfully. Just refresh it. It is the 80, right? Refresh it. So it is not working. Look like, do one thing. Let's delete this. Let's create another one. Suppose so new app created. So yes, say suppose password new app create. Take this password. Go to remove spaces. Control S. So smtp.gmail.com, right? Stop the server. From to subject HTML content. Here, see here what I did wrong. I forgot to send the mail, right? So I forgot to send the mail. Java mail sender dot send. We need to pass the main message. Control S. This is the mail sending. This is where forget, right? Then now it will be work. Now right click, run a Spring Boot app. So we are getting the error. See, spelling wrong. Start TLS. Somewhere something is missing. Go to here. So start TLS dot enable. Now stop the server. Now right click, run as Spring Boot app. See, email sent successfully. It will be visible in both, like from mail it will be visible, to mail it will be visible. So let's check. So this is the so this is the 96 sender. See, greetings. This is the sender. So this is the receiver. So this is the receiver. Right? So it is a 80. 80 is a receiver. So now do one thing. Let's change little bit, like greetings. Let's remove this and make it as like style. Let's use style equal to double colon pink. Control S. Stop the server. So right click, run as Spring Boot app. So wait some time. See, email sent successfully. So it will be visible both from address and to address. Go to from address. So this is the from address. Back. See, this is the page and color is changed. See, greetings. This is the subject. This is the body page and this is the 96. That means this is the from address. This is the so to address whom I am sending. This is the 80. This is the 80 mail. Greetings inbox. See, this is the send. So in this video we are successfully understand about how to send emails by using Spring Boot application. So code I will explain. So these are the fixed properties. Fixed properties you can get also from browser also. Like if you type Google SMTP properties, so it will give these properties. In these properties, this is host fixed one, port is fixed one. So this is fixed one, this is fixed one. This is we need to generate password username. Password is not the Gmail password, it is a app password. I have shown, right? This is the app password, not the Gmail password. It is the app password. See, it is a app password I have generated. How I generated? App space passwords space Google. Enter. It will open this. Here, if you enter the your password of the Gmail, this is the Gmail password. If you enter the Gmail password, choose the so email. So enter the password. So here we need to create the app password. It will come like a suppose I will create suppose suppose new one. Create. It will be look like we need to copy. After that we need to remove the spaces. Spaces no need. Once you done, it will not visible to see. See, I click run done. It will you cannot edit. You cannot retrieve this. You need to create new one. So right, coming to code, these are fixed properties, right? These are the easy. So in this video I am hard coded. like from to subject. Assume like you will get from the another service, another. So suppose from controller, from service, from util, from another way, you will get it this. What you will do DTO dot. Suppose here you can do like a DTO dot get some property, some getter method we need to use to pass this, to pass this, to pass this. So right here, this is the important Java mail sender. It is a interface. If I will go to inside, it is a interface. It contains some methods. See, we are using this method create main message. It will return main message. So after that, what we did? So go to, so here create main message, returning main message, right? This reference where passed parameter to main message helper. So and I chosen the three parameter main message constructor. One is the main message, this is the multi-part, it is expecting multi-part. See, it is the second one multi-part. So multi-part main message, multi-part encoding. Multi-part I am not using. Multi-part nothing but files. I am not sending any file. So I set to false. This is the encoding UTF-8 I added. So in this main message helper class, it is a class. It contains some methods. Set from address to address, CC address, BCC address, all are there. So from address, from suppose from me, from means me, sender address, from means to means receiver address, subject means we know subject, why we are sending this mail, main purpose of the mail. This is the set text, that means this is the body, and this is the HTML. Are you sending HTML content? See, boolean HTML. If you are sending HTML content, set to true, else set to false. Suppose this is I prepared some HTML content. After that, this Java mail sender reference dot send method. I need to pass this main message. Here I pass main message. Just for my confirmation, I am so some sys out. Here coming to, this is the starter class, right? This is the starter class. What I did, there are in Spring, there are two containers are there. Spring IOC containers are there, right? Application context container, bean factory container. So this is, it will return the run method. So it run method returning the application context container. By using this container reference, I am getting the this email service bean ID. By using that mail pin ID, so I am getting the pin of the email service, nothing but object of the email service I am getting, right? How to create object? If I want to create an email service, suppose s equal to new email service, like this I need to create, right? So if you want to create, I need to create like this object, right? So in Spring, no need to use new operator. So we can get it by using like this also. So it will return the email service object. After that, object reference dot. So inside this email service, there is a send email method, no parameter. I am calling. That's it, right? We are understand, right? So again, I will change this. So greetings, right? After that, suppose welcome. So I will change to here. Suppose welcome to FST interview guide. Interview guide control as. Let's run this. So starter class. You can also use like runners, command line runner, application runner. Some runners will be there, right? We can also able to use. So right click, run as Spring Boot app. So here email sent successfully. So go to the sender. This is the sender. See welcome. Welcome to FST interview guide. This is the sender. So see this is a sender. This is a sender. This is a receiver. Right? See go to send box. This is a sender. Sender is 96. Receiver is 80. Receiver inbox. So in this video we have successfully understand about how to send emails by using Spring Boot application. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. In next video, what I will do. So here see, in next video I will do like this. Suppose we have a Spring Boot application and we know how to prepare Themeleaf template, right? Themeleaf template. So I will send Themeleaf template to email. Suppose Spring Boot application HTML template sending to mail. So I will give use cases. Some use cases like suppose everyone using like ATM transaction messages. You will get ATM transaction messages. Suppose you went to an ATM, withdraw some money, then you will get some in mail one message, or you are booked one ticket in IRCTC. IRCTC, you are booked one train ticket. You will get one mail confirmation, or bus ticket. Suppose red bus you are booked, or red bus or AB bus. Suppose AB bus you are booked one bus. You will get mail, right? This use case. And suppose birthday alert. Suppose some banks it will send birthday mails templates like this. So next video I will prepare a template and I will send to the mail by using the Spring Boot mail. For example, I will show one mail template. So here I will delete this one. So let's delete this. So close this one. Close this one. Let's open a mail. Let's open a mail. So see here I will show one template, one sample template. Suppose this one. See, I will decreasing the size. So suppose increase to see it is a one mail template. See it is a one mail template. It is a one mail template I am getting from the Standard Chartered Bank. What is that? Birthday wishes. So like go back, I will show some other. Let me check if there any templates are there. Suppose Naukri notifications. See Naukri notifications. It is a one template. See, so see what is this? It is a one template, mail template. It is a one mail template. So if you are good in CSS like that, then we can prepare this kind of, it is a one template, right? This kind of one template we will prepare and we will send. So thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.